Top 3 things kung may keratosis pilaris or chicken skin. Number 1, stop scrubbing or picking on the affected areas. Kasi scrubbing and any form of friction over the area can incite frictional dermatitis. It can also damage the skin barrier, leading to more dryness. And studies show guys, no, the more dry the skin is, mas higher po ng chance na mag-trigger and mag-flare ng keratosis pilaris. So no rubbing, no scrubbing para hindi mag-worsen yung ating keratosis pilaris. Number 2, kung kayo ay may acne toner na may salicylic acid, pwede po yan gamitin over the affected area. Kasi guys, yung ating mga keratosis pilaris, kung titingnan sa microscope, meron silang mga keratin plugs. So the salicylic acid will help break down the keratin plugs and improve the appearance of your chicken skin over time. So you can actually apply a thin layer over the affected area every day kung kaya. Number 3, mag-apply ng urea lotion. So urea is a very moisturizing ingredient. So maganda siya sa keratosis pilaris. So mag-a-apply tayo nito at least twice a day or more if dry na dry po yung balat natin. Kasi guys, again, the more dry the skin, the higher the chance of flaring or triggering of your keratosis pilaris. And the most effective way to apply the urea lotion is after taking a bath. Parang damp pa yung skin mo at saka mo i-apply yung urea lotion para lalong ma-lock in yung moisture doon sa apektadong balat. Alright guys, if you have questions about keratosis pilaris, comment below or you can send me a message. For more skin tips from a board-certified dermatologist, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye-bye!